If you're experiencing FPS drops in Minecraft, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to improve your performance and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Open Minecraft and go to the Options menu. From there, select Video Settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and set the graphics to fast. These changes can significantly improve FPS. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. Close Minecraft and open the Minecraft launcher. Go to Installation, select your profile, and click on More Options. In the JVM Arguments box, increase the memory allocation by changing the XMX value XMX to G for 2 GB. Save the changes and restart the game. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Check for updates for your graphics card drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website like NVIDIA or AMD and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 4. Optimize Java settings. Ensure you have the latest version of Java installed. Open the control panel, find Java, and check for updates. Additionally, adjust the Java settings to use the latest version for Minecraft. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve your game's performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Minecraft FPS. Enjoy your gaming.